Okay, next interesting update is this one. If a class contain operation that prefixed with action underscore function name, then the generator will create the button name, this one, on the XML form file. Okay, and also the definition, the function definition on the Python file that we have done in the previous version. All right, let's see the example. This object or this class, the penempatan, is having three operation or three methods, right? All with prefix action underscore and cari calon, action filter lurus, action tempatkan. Alright, when we generate this one, then the XML. Alright, let's go to the XML of the PSB, which is the penempatan file. Right, when we open the form, right, the form definition, right, this one, and then we have the header that contains the action operation button, right, automatically generated according to the name of the operation. Cari calon siswa will be converted into the this button. Action filter lulus will be converted to this button, and so on. And then also on the Python file, this function is automatically generated as well. All right, this one. Okay, this one. Right, this one. Action, cari, action filter, action tempatkan. Right, with the empty field function definition, and can be inherited or overridden on the inherited add-on, as we have done in the previous version. Right, this one. This is the actual logic or function definition for this function, so that when we regenerate this one, then the inherited one will not be deleted. All right, so when we run this one, the add-on on the PSP, we have the operation penempatan, and then this one. So we will have these buttons and methods automatically created for us on the XML, right? And then the button will be visible on the open state. This is the default condition for this button. You can easily change this condition on the inherited add-ons available. Alright, that is the cool features that we have in the version 1.13.